How to use the ruler in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and log into your account. After that, simply click on File located on top left corner of your screen. After clicking on File, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on More. Then go to Options. In Options, click on Advanced. Then scroll all the way down in Advanced till you find Show option. You'll find Show option in Display. Make sure Show vertical ruler in Print Layout View is turned on. After that, you'll find your ruler on top. Simply, you can adjust the ruler by dragging it. After that, you're good to go. That's how to use the ruler in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.